very choppy. Not going on the paddleboard or the kayak today. So here I'm at this dock and no one is fishing. I'm the only one here. So I got all the space to myself, but fish may be staying home and not coming out to feed. So we will see. Anyway, so I got some crab, fishing pole. We'll see what we're gonna get. It's pretty nice out here today. A bit windy. 70 degrees today in November, and stupid windy. Yeah, and the sun is really in my eyes right now. Can't see a thing. Blinding. So, but we're gonna give it a go. Time to kill. So we shall see. Yeah, it's clean here. Surprising, no one's here today. So we will see. Morning.
Got the whole place to yourself.
I know, I don't know why.
I always do terrible when it's windy. So today we're going to go see if we can catch a tog in an extremely windy condition. I believe Nicole just passed by and we have between 15 to 20 mile per hour winds here today. And I'm sorry, but you're going to hear all the wind noises coming from the GoPro. So yeah, so let's see if we could catch anything.
Five hours later.
Huh? That's a tog or blackfish. It's only 15 inches.
You'll be 27.
It need to be 16 inches.
Really?
Just shy. No. And thanks for watching. Please don't forget to leave a comment, a like, a dislike, and please subscribe. Thank you.